Unity Programmer 101, Unity Certified Programmer Exam Preparation. A Unity programmer is a software developer who specializes in creating, maintaining, and optimizing interactive applications and games using the Unity game engine. Unity is a popular cross-platform game development platform that allows developers to build games and applications for various platforms, including mobile devices, desktop computers, consoles, and augmented reality/virtual reality, AR/VR, devices. Here's a detailed breakdown of what it means to be a Unity programmer. 1. Proficiency in C# programming language. Unity programmers use the C# programming language to write code for game logic, gameplay mechanics, user interfaces, and other aspects of game development. They have a deep understanding of C# syntax, data types, control structures, classes, inheritance, and other object-oriented programming, OOP, concepts. 2. Familiarity with Unity game engine. Unity programmers are familiar with the Unity game engine and its features, tools, and workflows for game development. This includes the Unity editor, which provides a visual interface for designing scenes, importing assets, configuring physics, and scripting game behavior, as well as the Unity Asset Store, where developers can find and download assets, plugins, and tools to enhance their projects. 3. Experience with game development concepts. Unity programmers have knowledge of game development concepts such as game design, game mechanics, player input, physics simulation, animation, audio, and user interface, UI, design. They apply these concepts to create immersive and engaging gameplay experiences for players. 4. 3D modeling and animation. Unity programmers may have skills in 3D modeling and animation to create and manipulate 3D assets for their games. While not always required, knowledge of 3D modeling software like Blender or Maya can be beneficial for Unity programmers, especially those working on 3D games or projects with custom assets. 5. Unity Scripting API. Unity programmers use the Unity Scripting API to interact with Unity's game objects, components, and systems programmatically. This API allows developers to control game behavior, handle player input, manage game state, and implement game features. 6. Optimization and performance tuning. Unity programmers optimize their games and applications for performance to ensure smooth gameplay and efficient resource usage. They use techniques like object pooling, level of detail, LOD, systems, occlusion culling, and asynchronous loading to optimize rendering, physics, and resource management. 7. Platform-specific development. Unity programmers may develop games and applications for various platforms, including mobile devices, iOS, Android, desktop computers, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, consoles, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, and AR/VR devices, Oculus Rift, HTC Vive, HoloLens. They are familiar with platform-specific requirements, optimizations, and deployment processes. 8. Testing and debugging. Unity programmers conduct testing and debugging to identify and fix issues, bugs, and performance bottlenecks in their games and applications. They use Unity's built-in debugging tools, profilers, and test frameworks to diagnose problems and ensure the stability and reliability of their projects. 9. Continuous learning and adaptability. Technology in game development is constantly evolving, and Unity programmers stay updated with the latest features, tools, and techniques in Unity development. They invest time in learning new Unity releases, exploring emerging technologies, attending conferences, and participating in online communities to enhance their skills and stay competitive in the industry. Overall, Unity programmers play a crucial role in creating immersive, interactive, and entertaining experiences for players across various platforms. They leverage their expertise in game development, programming, and Unity's features to bring their creative visions to life and captivate audiences with engaging gameplay and memorable experiences.